Hello, everyone. Today, we will explore the process of building a beautiful structure by a single woman from the very first steps. With great determination, she laid the foundation frame directly on the prepared ground. Her dexterity was evident as she skillfully joined the wooden bars together using traditional woodworking techniques. A large wooden mallet became her main tool, the strong tapping sound reverberating as she hammered the joints together, ensuring a tight and sturdy fit. Piece by piece, the rectangular base of the structure gradually took shape, a testament to her precision and diligence. She moved with great efficiency, adjusting each heavy part until the initial grid was perfectly assembled on the ground, ready for the next stage. The work shifted from horizontal to vertical construction when a helper arrived, and teamwork became extremely important. Together, they set up a simple but effective rope pulley system to lift the towering uprights into place. With coordinated effort, the first vertical sections of the frame were erected. The structure began to rise from the ground, transforming from a flat layout to a three-dimensional form. With the main pillars secured, one of the women confidently climbed a ladder to work on the upper floors, positioning herself at the top of the frame. Her companion on the ground assisted in lifting the long rafters that held the roof. They carefully adjusted these rafters into place, creating the angled slope of the roofline. The rhythmic sound of the mallet continued as she secured each rafter, locking them into the central roof beam. The skeleton of the two-story house was now clearly visible, demonstrating the complex and sturdy nature of traditional timber framing. The completed frame stands majestically against a backdrop of lush green mountains, a remarkable feat of skill, strength, and unwavering dedication. With the wooden frame standing tall, the project is entering its final stages. Standing confidently atop the structure, she deftly installs the brilliant red metal roof. With an electric drill in hand, she secures each corrugated sheet, the whirring of the tool cutting through the silence of the surrounding forest. Barefoot and balanced, she works methodically along the top, fastening the roof's peak before moving across the vast space to ensure weatherproofing. With the roof complete, attention turns to the interior. Inside the two-story outdoor wooden frame, she begins the arduous task of installing the second-floor beams. She lifts and maneuvers the heavy wooden beams, deftly fitting them into the designated slots in the main structure. The electric drill goes to work again, driving long screws to anchor the beams, creating a sturdy grid to support the upper floor. Sturdy planks that would form the finished surface, bringing this impressive structure one step closer to completion. With the sturdy wooden frame and roof in place, the meticulous process of enclosing the stilt house began. She bent down, using a hammer and nails to carefully secure the wall panels to the floor and frame, her movements precise and efficient. She continued this process, enclosing the structure section by section. Once the walls were up, she moved on to installing the windows, carefully fitting each one. The intricate details of the work were evident as she painstakingly installed the fittings. First, she aligned the heavy-duty hinges on the door frames, using a hammer to secure them before hanging the intricately crafted wooden doors. She then repeated the process for the windows, fitting them with handy shutters that could be opened to reveal a beautiful forest view. To ensure the house was secure, she installed sturdy metal sliding bolts into the doors, creating a sturdy locking mechanism. Finally, she cleverly built and attached a hinged, fold-out bench to the outdoor patio, adding flexibility and space-saving features to the home. The once open window is now a safe, functional, enclosed living space, a testament to her incredible craftsmanship and unwavering dedication. With the main structure of the house completed, the final intricate details began to take shape. The woman now focused on the porch railings, transforming the open space into a safe and beautifully finished space. Crouching on the wooden floor, she painstakingly assembled each railing piece one by one. Hammer in hand, she carefully hammered the top railing into place, securing it to the sturdy support posts. Her attention to detail was remarkable as she installed each individual piece of wood, the vertical shafts that gave the railing its classic look. She inserted each piece into the prepared slots one by one, hammering them into place gently but firmly. The rhythmic sound of her work echoed throughout the space as she moved along the length of the porch, ensuring each shaft was perfectly aligned and secure. She worked with quiet confidence, her movements fluid and practiced. Once one side was completed, she moved on to the other, repeating the process with the same unwavering precision. The once airy porch is now surrounded by intricately crafted railings, adding a touch of traditional charm and security to this unique self-built home. The project is a testament to her incredible skill, patience, and deep connection to her craft. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe